welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Ife West, wishing you life and direct from the heart of Africa. If this is your first time on the channel, you're welcome. This is the place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstition, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to use alligator pepper to bring peace, understanding, and settlements to disputes. This is a very simple topic, but it is highly neglected. So I would like to touch on it today. First of all, we need to know what they call alligator pepper. This is a kind of fruit that we have in West Africa and also other parts of Africa. They call it grains of paradise. Grains of paradise. It's like a pod that grows from a tree that resembles that of a palm tree, and it have hundreds of seeds inside. Hundreds of seeds. The botanical name is Aframomum Melegueta. Aframomum Melegueta. You can Google that. This is one of the major components that you're going to find in African spirituality. It's a very, very powerful plant. It is very, very spiritual and very medicinal. It can be used for any rites you want to do, almost any rite you want to do in African spirituality. And it works very well. The seeds are tiny, tiny seeds that are very, very spicy in our nature. Very spicy when you bite it. They're very hot. They contain like so many enzymes and compounds that are very, very active. So, in our African spirituality, for thousands of years, ancient Africans have been using this for solving many problems. Just as it is, you can use it to do so many things, even without mixing it with any compound. We use it for spiritual cleansing, just by holding 2 or 3 of the seed, even just one alligator pepper seed, and rubbing it all over your body and saying pronouncements. You can use it to cleanse off negative energies from you, to cleanse up evil vibrations. By showing these seeds and making pronouncements, you can actually change reality or say things into manifestation. It is that powerful. We use it for a lot of things, a lot of operations, a lot of procedures. It's very, very effective. You can Google alligator pepper online, on internet. You're going to see thousands of uses for this very thing. So many people have talked about it. I have also done about 2 videos about this alligator pepper, what to use it for. There are so many remedies you can use it for: favor, luck, good luck, protection, so many things that you can use it for. You can check online because people have said so many things about it already. They have done so many videos on how you can be able to use this alligator pepper. For me to still be talking the same thing, it's like I'm regurgitating what people have already said about it. So I will not go into many things. If you want to find out more about alligator pepper and spirituality, the uses, please do research on it. Please Google it. You're going to find so many things that people have said about it already. Okay, what I want to talk about the alligator pepper today on this channel is something that has been highly or almost totally neglected about the alligator pepper, that people don't even know about it, which is the bank, this very outer covering. Many people don't know that we also use it to do spell work. They don't know. They only think that it's only the seed that you can use. They don't know that the bark is also very, very useful, and the bark is also very powerful. So today I want to talk about the bark of this alligator pepper, the bark, B-A-R-K, what you can also use it for. If you have access to the alligator pepper, don't ever throw this away. It is very useful. Okay, so I'm going to talk about it. You get this back every time you buy alligator pepper. Make sure you keep this in a very safe place. Keep them. We use it for chasing out negative entities from a place, just like the way we use sage to sage your house to chase away negative entities. It also works exactly the same way, very, very effective. What you do is that you simply burn it and with a candle flame or with any other flame, especially with a candle flame, and say what you want it to do, and it will do that for you. So you want to chase out negative entities from your house, you can use it. What I really want to talk about is that you can use it to bring peace to a place that is filled with confusion. If you are living in a house that people are always quarreling, people are always fighting, there's always disputes, disagreements, lack of cooperation, lack of understanding, what you need to do, you need to get a bank of this, maybe like 2 or 3, then you burn it in the house. You need to be burning it in the house, telling you, asking for peace and cooperation. And the people will start cooperating. It will actually bring peace. It will change the atmosphere of that very place. So you need this bank for that. If you are living in a place that people are fighting all the time, you just get a bank of alligator pepper and you burn it with a candle and ask for peace. You will be surprised that people will start cooperating with each other. They will start greeting each other. They will start talking to each other. You can use this very bank for that. Also too, if you want to get understanding about a certain situation, a certain subject, maybe something is happening in a place, you don't really know what is happening and you want to know, you can also burn this alligator pepper and ask for insights to really know what is going on, to know the true story. To want people to tell you the true story, you burn it and ask for that in the place, and you will get the true story. Let's say that people are having disputes, they are quarreling, you want to settle them. You will ask them to come to your house or to meet at a particular place. Before the meeting will start, maybe 30 minutes to the time, burn the alligator pepper bank in your house. Maybe they are coming for family meeting or one other meeting to trash out an issue and get to the bottom, to have peace, mutual agreement. We need this to burn it, the bank of the alligator pepper, before the meeting starts, so that when the people come, everybody will get in the mood, everybody will speak their minds about what is actually going on. Then you are going to be surprised that you find a peaceful resolution to the issue. In ancient time in my tribe, the elders, they usually burn this before they do meetings to bring peace, and it actually works. If you're having family meeting or disputes, you want people to settle, burn alligator pepper bank before that meeting starts in the place. You'll be surprised that you will have a peaceful meeting. There will be no fighting, there will be no quarreling. You are going to settle that meeting very, very well. It is used for bringing peace, this very bank you are seeing. So please do not ever throw them away. You use it to settle all sorts of dispute, land dispute, fighting, relationship disputes, any disputes that you want people to come to talk for settlement. Make sure you burn this by 20 minutes to the time, so that the atmosphere will be, it kind of attracts the ancestors as spirit of peace to come to the place to make sure that they settle everything. So that is what I want to talk about this today. Then for medicinal purposes, this bank also reduces high blood pressure. If you are suffering from high blood pressure, or you have people that are suffering from high blood pressure, encourage them to chew the bark of the alligator pepper. You can chew it. It's medicinal. It reduces the heart rates, it reduces anxiety, and it reduces it fights against insomnia. This old timers disease, old timers, it is very good for old timers. So you should chew this bark to solve all those problems. Okay, the seeds actually is working against low blood pressure, because when you chew these seeds, they are very hot. They increase the vibration, they increase the heart rate. If you are suffering from low blood pressure, the seeds are very good for you to chew. But if you are suffering from high blood pressure, you need to be chewing the bark of this, and it will solve that problem. And you can also add it to alcohol for other things. Like me, I always mix it. I never throw away the bark. This solution that I did for something, it is mixed with some roots and alligator pepper bark. So I never throw away the bark. I always use it for something, because it's very, very medicinal. It treats a lot of things in the body. So next time you buy alligator pepper, never throw away the bark. You can use it for so many things. Just keep them. If you don't know what to do with them, put them in any root you want to do. You can mix with dogoyaro, you can mix it with lime, you can mix it with ginger, you can mix it with garlic, you can mix it with bitter cola or cola, you can mix it with any kind of herb. It goes well for treating so many things and healing the body. There are other things you can also do with it, but what you need to know is that it's a very good base, insect base. The way you use it, you just burn it on a candle flame, and you burn them on the candle flame, or you set a small fire and you just throw them in as it's burning. You are saying your intentions of what you want to happen. Okay, so that is the things that some things you can use the bank for. And the way you open this alligator pepper, you don't open it with your eyes closed. Open, I mean, when you want to open the alligator pepper, you either take it behind you. You must not see it open. Then you tear it from your back. No eyes must see it open. That is the spiritual way. You must close your eyes before you open it. Okay. If you want to use alligator pepper for spiritual purposes, you must not, no eyes must see it when it's being torn open. Okay. Some people will bury it for 7 days, depending on the kind of rite you want to do. You can bury it for 7 days, and sometimes 3 days. But if you want to use it for this kind of rites, for bringing peace, you don't need to bury it. You just open it with your eyes closed. Okay. So this is what I want to talk about, the use of the bank of this alligator pepper grains of paradise. This is very, very powerful. I called it a natural battery that God have given us, or nature have given us. You can use it for any operation and it works. So it's very easy to get. You can get it to buy online. If you have friends in Nigeria, West Africa, tell them to mail it to you. You can get it cheaply there. It's something that everybody practicing African spirituality needs to be using, that they need to have. Very, very important thing that we use for lots of spiritual practice. Highly effective, and highly recommended. Okay, so this is what you can use it for. You can use it to bring settlements, use it to get insight into an issue, use it to bring peace to a place where there is no peace, and simply by just burning it on a candle flame, let the smoke permeate into the atmosphere. Then you also chew it to solve the problem of high blood pressure. Okay, so this is what I have for you today. Questions and comments are welcomed. Please like and share this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to get my videos when I release them. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Take care and bye.